approached the Supreme Court on allegations that they were tampering with the Maharashtra election EVM machines. This even after the Supreme Court had earlier rejected such allegations. In fact, there was a lot of uproar over the same issue as well, because it came across that when they were winning, that they did not find any tampering allegations. However, when they were losing seats, then the allegations of tampering have arisen time and again. Now, do note that Nationalist Congress Party, Sharad Chandra Pawar and Prashant Sudamrao Jagtap have also approached the Supreme Court over the alleged tampering of the EVMs and the VVPAT machines in the Maharashtra Assembly elections. Now, do note that they said this after a high-level meeting with the NCP chief Sharad Pawar, Supriya Sule, AAP convener Arvind Kejriwal, AAP's Rajya Sabha member Sanjay Singh, and senior Congress leader Abhishek Manu Singhvi. He also said that the India Alliance has faith in the apex court and hoped that it will give a decision in their favor regarding the scam that happened in the Maharashtra Assembly elections. In fact, we also have reactions coming in from Prashant Sudamrao Jagtap. Let's listen in.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट में अपीयर होना है, इंडिया अलायंस करके हम लोग उसमें जा रहे हैं। इंडिया फ्रंट के माध्यम से हम लोग रीट दाखिल कर रहे हैं और उसमें जो धांधली इलेक्शन कमीशन के द्वारा बीजेपी को जितवाने के लिए, बीजेपी अलायंस को जितवाने के लिए हुई है, उसके खिलाफ ये रीट दाखिल हम लोग ये केस दाखिल कर रहे हैं और जिसमें वोटों की बढ़ोतरी का मामला है। उसी के साथ इलेक्शन कमीशन ने 3 दिन पहले जो नाम डिलीट किए और ऐड किए हर असेंबली में 288 कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में, उसके खिलाफ का ये हमारा नारा है। ईवीएम और वीवीपैट में टैंपरिंग हुई वो बात है। उसी के साथ जहाँ पे एमवीए या इंडिया फ्रंट जीत सकता है, उनको ज़्यादा वोट मिल सकते हैं, ऐसे मशीन स्लो किए गए, वो हम लोग ने क्या जिसके हमारे पास पुख्ता सबूत है वो लेकर जा रहे हैं। और उसी के साथ जो डेटा इलेक्शन कमीशन और सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जो पहली जो बात रखी थी, उसमें क्लियर था कि जिसमें वोटिंग हुआ है वो ईवीएम और वीवीपैट वही सामने दिखाया जाएगा, उसकी गिनती होगी। लेकिन अभी इलेक्शन कमीशन ने 2 दिन पहले जो नई एसओपी निकाली है, उसमें उन्होंने ये बात रखी है कि वो डेटा इरेज करके सिर्फ मॉक पोल लेंगे। हमारे तो 13 लाख रुपए उन्हें जमा करवाए गिनती के लिए, और आज कहीं तो भी उनको ये लग रहा है कि इस गिनती में उनकी चोरी पकड़ी जाएगी और आज वो सारा डेटा इरेज करने के लिए भागदौड़ कर रहे हैं। उसके खिलाफ हम लोग सुप्रीम कोर्ट में शिकायत करेंगे।
Joining us live from the newsroom, Samiksha, even as the Indie bloc really is likely to sort of approach the Supreme Court over the EVM allegations for tampering, is that really going to hold weight? Because these are not allegations that have come for the first time. This is something, it's a tactic, so to speak, really, which has come in the open time and again. How's that really like to pan out?
That's right, Priyanka, and not surprising that such claims are coming in from the Mahavikas Aghadi after the massive drubbing in the Maharashtra elections. But talking of this fresh claim, rather this claim which has been made once again by the Mahavikas Aghadi, that there was a mismatch between the EVM machines and the VVPAT slips. There's a statement that's been released by the state election officer as well, who's put it on record that there was no mismatch between the VVPAT slips and the EVM machines. In fact, taking you through that statement that's been made by Chief Election Officer of Maharashtra, who says that the Election Commission of India had 5 VVPAT machines at each assembly segment to be counted and matched with the numbers in the EVM as per the top court's orders. The EC counted a total of 1,445 VVPAT slips on 23rd of November, which is the day of elections in Maharashtra, and there was no mismatch that was found in any of the VVPAT slips matching with the concerned EVM numbers. So even as the election officer has rebuffed the claims, has set the record straight that there was no mismatch, the Indie Alliance is firm in its claim that yes, there was a mismatch, there was EVM tampering that happened, as a result of which the Mahavikas Aghadi faced a massive defeat, and they now are saying will be moving top court to probe those allegations that they are making.
That's right, Samiksha. Thank you so much for those details coming in, as it is likely to be again a move by the Indie bloc to sort of save their grace from their losing streak, really. But let's turn our focus to Karnataka now, where in Belgavi a case has been registered against the Panchamasali Lingayat, where they were demanding for a reservation. Now we learned that a case rioting has been lodged in Belgavi in Karnataka. Now this is registered at the Hirbebag D police station